In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status to showed in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation options used to access different tools and features. From that left side menu, click on Calendars. This will take you into the scheduling area where you can manage appointments and review booking activity. If you work with multiple appointments throughout the day, this section is especially useful for keeping records accurate and up to date. After you're in the calendar section, look at the top menu and click on Appointment List View. This view makes it easier to scan through appointments in a list format, rather than viewing them on a calendar grid. That's helpful when you need to quickly update the status of a specific appointment. Next, click on All. This ensures you're viewing the full appointment list, so you can find the appointment you want to update without any filters limiting what appears on the screen. If you don't see the right appointment right away, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct list view before moving on. Once you've located the appointment, look for the status field. This is the section that shows the current status assigned to that appointment. Under Status, click the drop-down menu to reveal the available status options. From the drop-down list, select Showed. Choosing this option marks the appointment as attended, which can help keep your reporting and follow-up workflow accurate. It's a simple update, but it can be important for tracking client activity and maintaining clean records. After selecting Showed, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to mark the appointment as showed. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental changes, so it's a good chance to quickly verify that you're updating the correct appointment. If everything looks right, click Update to confirm the change. Once you do that, the appointment status will be updated to showed, and that's it. That's how you change an appointment status to showed in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double check the appointment details before confirming any status change, especially if you're managing multiple bookings in a busy account. Keeping statuses accurate helps with organization, follow-up, and overall appointment tracking.